Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it is nasty, perky, disgusting out today. It is just see the sky, not the sun, and not the sun cannot be in sight. Nasty out. Oh God, it's raining. Golf cart's all wet, and we got our umbrella. Just in case we have to walk. Better be safe than sorry, I guess is what they say. So yeah. It's nasty out. It's just nasty. Well, let's take her right up to my great-grandmother's. Because we're gonna go see her. I went there earlier and she didn't answer, so she must have not been up. That's what my conclusion must be, because now she called me and she said that she's up, so we'll go back there. Hopefully you guys are getting my latest uploads. Hopefully you guys are watching them and liking and subscribing to my channel. Because it's important that you do that. Very important. Yeah, yesterday I did a video in the golf cart driving around, and I'm doing another one today. So, yeah. Rainy, nasty day. Thunderstorms calling all day today. So, alright guys, I'm gonna have to cut the video, go inside, visit with her, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace.